Today we're going to talk about why most people die after breakfast. And this is something that doctors have known for decades now, but nobody really talks about it. Why do people die? Usually most people will die in the morning after they wake up, after breakfast. There are reasons to it, causes that I will reveal to you in this video, and how you can fix this for this not to happen to you. Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandevar.com. If you have any questions or comments, or you want to leave something that you might not be clear on, I'll be happy to respond to you in the comments below. If you need a consultation or some supplement that you're looking for, look for them at drlandevar.com. And remember, don't forget to give this video a like button and share or subscribe if you really like this content. Having said that, let's continue. It's extremely common for most people to actually die after they wake up, after breakfast. And there are many physiological explanations to this, but there are many mistakes that people are making that are not making them aware that they could prevent this situation. So number one, a famous heart attack. Believe it or not, heart attacks appear to happen mainly after you wake up. And there's a reason to this. Remember, you've been sleeping for 8 hours with no movement, no physical activity, no exercise, and therefore, whatever you have in your blood that is above normal in cholesterol, in sugar, something that is sedimenting itself in a part of your body can easily form a thrombi or thrombosis, in some occasions a blood clot, and this could happen and end up causing a heart attack. So if you're one of those people who are not exercising or not looking for a solution, like for example managing blood pressure, cholesterol like I said before, high blood sugar levels, or exercise in general, you're going to see this happen if you're not careful. You want a home remedy you can use, sometimes you can use an everyday, you can actually take it, garlic tea, or supplements that can help you with blood pressure, with cholesterol control, with sugar balance, like Heart Excel, Garlic Gold, VascuCare, or On Cardio from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Number two, a stroke. A stroke is very common to happen actually after breakfast, not after you wake up, and it's in that part of the morning. And it happens, again, has a lot to do with raising blood sugar levels, raising high blood pressure, and people that suffer from high blood pressure, or people who suffer from stress, they go out to work, they see that maybe the traffic is affecting them, and they just get overexcited with stress and cortisol gets released so much in the blood that they tend to have this that was already in some shape or way or form delicate in that situation. What do you do to solve this, or what do you do to prevent this? In this case, you maintain a stable blood pressure. You make sure to have those medical checkups. You make sure to keep cholesterol levels low, and make sure that you exercise. A home remedy you can use always will help you with circulation are berries, especially red berries, or supplements that can help you keep that blood really well balanced, like for example Neuroflex, Neuromatrix, Berbrain, and these really help you out with strengthening those vascular arteries and veins in your brain. Very important. Number three, a pulmonary embolism, and this is also something that has a lot to do with coagulation, with the formation of thrombi, blood clots. Remember, I just talked about these two before, which have a lot to do with circulation, and again we're hammering in circulation. And why does this happen? Well, because you have been sleeping for 8 hours, maybe even before you were sleeping 8 hours you were actually sitting in a chair for another 8 hours while at work, and this is something that has become a vicious cycle for you. You're not exercising, you're not moving your blood, and you are forming in a very subtle form and very silent situation blood clots all over your body. You only need one to die, and this is a really very important factor, and you need to make sure that this pulmonary embolism, because of why people are dying in the morning, you have to fix it, and you can always fix it again with the same solutions. It's not rocket science, right? You need regular physical movement. Believe it or not, the more you move, the less clots you will have. Avoid prolonged sitting, making sure that you're not sitting all day long at work, or taking a herbal remedy that you can use like ginger tea that helps with circulation. It really does help in preventing the formation of blood clots. You can always use supplements again like Ultra C 1000, Ceresood, which is spectacular specifically to help keep that circulation clean. Clear Matrix or D-enzymes from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Number 4, dehydration. This is another cause that causes death in the morning, and believe it or not many people were aware of this or not expecting that I say this, but dehydration is extremely important for circulation to work. Let's think about that. If you're not hydrating yourself, you're always concentrating more cholesterol in your blood, more blood sugar, more red blood cells. Your blood is getting heavier. It's obviously not as smooth circulating as it should be, just because you don't have enough water. And if you're not hydrating yourself enough every day, you're going to have trouble, you're going to have problems, and you're one of those people with a high risk of dying in the morning after breakfast. What are you going to do to solve this problem? Well, you only need water. You only need to drink sufficient water upon waking up or during the morning, and obviously you can use a home remedy like lemon water. That's all you really need. It's not rocket science. Again, you're keeping circulation working properly. And you might want to use supplements like On Cardio, Vein Flow, Vitamin D2000 from Fineland, or Vital E. Supplements that will help with that prevention of dehydration. At the same time, you have to be hydrating yourself, obviously, and keeping circulation positive and working properly. Number 5, morning stress kills a lot of people. You wake up in the morning, you go to work, and you have problems. You have family issues. You have to get the kids in the car. You have to go to school. You have to do some activity. And by the way, the most stressful part of the day is usually the morning. Now, if you are stressing yourself out, you're elevating cortisol levels. That means that you might be elevating your blood pressure. You might also be elevating your blood sugar, your triglycerides, your cholesterol, therefore making circulation a lot worse. And seeing why most people die in the morning, well, you understand why cortisol is one of those risk factors. How do you solve this? Well, you solve this by making sure that you are taking part into relaxation techniques, deep breathing, meditation. This always helps a great deal. And then you can use home remedies that will help you along the way, like chamomile tea, melatonin, Q-Calm, Passion Calm, 5-HTP from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Remember, cortisol is a very important factor in why people die in the morning. This is something not many people know. Number 6, the consumption of energy drinks and coffee kills a lot of people in the morning. Coffee is something that, a lot of people love to drink all day long. And believe it or not, it really does mess up your nervous system, your dehydration, okay, your sleep, cortisol levels in your blood. All these factors are really messed up just by drinking coffee, or more than just once a day. It really does dehydrate you. It really does damage your nervous system and increase cortisol and high blood pressure. All the factors I've mentioned in this video. So you want a home remedy that can help you. What a home remedy is something you can use? Well, green tea. Green tea does not have that much caffeine, but it also has antioxidants that can keep you healthy for a longer period of time. As a matter of fact, Japanese men and women which drink a lot of green tea tend to live longer. Maybe just because they drink green tea and most of us don't, okay? Or you can use supplements also that I personally use every day, like vitamin D2000, Vital E on Cardio, Rejuve On from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. But remember, coffee and energizing drinks are very dangerous if you do not know how to use them, or you already have some of the factors I've mentioned in this video. Number 7, the elevation of cortisol, the natural thing you have to go through. Well, cortisol, once raises you up, it also elevates your blood pressure. It also makes you have just a slighter increase in concentration of cholesterol and blood sugar for you to have the energy to wake up and have that physical activity or that activity you need in the morning. Now, if any of the ones before I've mentioned are delicate in that situation, this elevation of cortisol could cause a heart attack, could cause a stroke, could cause pulmonary embolism. This could just be a sole factor, risk factor for you to die in the morning. Be very careful and try to get on to relaxation techniques. Make sure that you are healthy in every way, drinking water, making sure that you have fluids, enough fluids for this not to happen. And obviously always try to use a home remedy that can help you, like oatmeal, which contains magnesium. Try to use a supplement that can help you with that elevation of cortisol for it not to spike that much in the morning, like Magnazide, OxyClean, Melatonin, or Neuromatrix from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Remember, these risk factors we all have, but there are many solutions and many things that we can do to make sure that this doesn't happen to us. Don't forget to give this a like button, don't forget to share, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.